Whenever you hear the term LinkedIn profile, you'll often hear it paired with the word optimization. Now, profile optimization is a fancy word for just saying putting things in your profile that help you to be found. The way that LinkedIn works is that it's a huge database, and if you want to be found in order to get a new job or bring in business or promote yourself as a thought leader, then the keywords and keyword phrases that you put into your profile are critical. That essentially is profile optimization. Now, of course, it's much more than that too, but at its essence, it's adding terms that can be found by the search engine. And that's not only the internal LinkedIn search engine, but also on Google and other search engines as well. And more recently, being found by AI. Now, profile optimization on a profile includes a number of basic tasks or basic features. These include your banner that sits at the top, and it's an eye-catching image that should stop the scroll. Underneath that is your profile photo, should be a professional one, and your headline. Now, your banner and headline need to work together to tell people who you are, what you do, whom you serve, and how you deliver. On top of that, they need to know the results. So it's a lot of work to make your banner and headline do, isn't it? But we have 220 characters in the headline, so you can easily make it count. But don't forget to include those keywords. Other profile optimization tips include adding your skills, which we can have 100 of now, into various aspects of your profile. So, I mean your education, your experience, your projects, your volunteering, and so on. The more skills that you have linked to the different areas of your profile, the better. The easier it will be for LinkedIn to serve you up as the person who is the go-to for whatever is being searched for. You need also to have media in your profile these days. So that's video, images, presentations, and other sorts of media that will give your profile a lift. You want to wow people, make it compelling so that when they get to your banner and headline, they want to know more. A good, compelling LinkedIn profile has all of the key areas filled in, but there's one more to tell you about that's essential, and that is recommendations. You need to get some recommendations from people you know professionally, people who can talk about you in your professional capacity, whatever that may be, and can report back to the LinkedIn community on what it's like to work with you. You want people who will tell people about your areas of expertise, your experience, and what you have done for them. Get as many recommendations as you possibly can. And do you want my best tip for getting those? That's to give them. If you make sure that your LinkedIn profile is fully optimized in the way I've described it here, then you're well on your way to success on LinkedIn.